Hey guys, it's me. I have inked up my Pilot Custom 823, and I thought that I would provide a small writing sample. So I am also kind of testing out my new overhead phone mount and seeing how this whole system is going to work. So I am using Private Reserve ink, and please forgive me if I am not in frame. I hope I'm in frame because I can't see. So I'm sitting down and I can't see what you're seeing. So let's try this. So y'all know I don't have the best handwriting, but I thought that I would still try to give a writing sample, and I'm trying to write at a weird angle. So this is a very nice, smooth writer. Now it does have a little feedback, but it is so nice. Let's see. It is, I really can't write at this angle. It is inked with sorry, Private Reserve ink in chocolate. Okay. All right. And sorry about that. So I'm really happy with this. It does not replace in how much I love my my vanishing point. My vanishing point is still my favorite, but this is a close second. And you know, maybe down the line it might replace my vanishing point, but right now it's a second. It's really nice. I really like it. And you know, when you seeing this online, it just doesn't, you really don't get it until you actually hold one and have it in your hand and write with it. And look at that nib. That nib is just magnificent. So I'm not regretting this purchase at all. I have zero buyer's remorse. It was expensive, but like I said, I think I got a really good deal on it. And so I thought that I would share this. I'm so happy. Let's see. There we go. Custom 823. I can see that without my readers. All right. All right. And I thought that I would share that. Oh, and this thing was a joy, actually. It was actually kind of fun to ink it up with that vacuum. You put it in and it was like whoosh. I was like, whoa. I don't know. I'm sad. That's silly, but I liked it. I enjoyed filling it. All right. So that is all I had to share today, guys. Bye.